Ah! 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 It's time for the stream! Welcome to the oh my goodness, hang on, let me get the hang on. Scene two. Okay. To do. Alright. Hello and welcome to the wait, what the heck? What is going on there? Okay, what hang on. Hang on, we haven't taken. Oh, I just have to full screen it, that's why it didn't work. Alright, and that's big. Ugh. Hate it when streams like this just okay, hang on. I can do this. So yeah, welcome to the stream. You guys have had a good day, you know. I have definitely had the greatest day of my life. Okay. Okay. It's time. Okay, there we go. So welcome to part 2 of me making a Five Nights at Freddy's clone inside of Scratch. If you haven't seen part 1, I'm currently uploading the VOD to YouTube. I have to go ahead, for whatever reason, the stream got split into 2 parts. I don't know why, but let's just hope it doesn't happen this time. But I'm currently converting them. So yeah, welcome. Um, oh, maybe I hit a button by accident. Let me check to see if I have any keybinds. Settings. Hotkeys. Start streaming stop. No, I don't. That's weird. So like I don't know how to fix that. Oh, it's fine. But welcome. Okay, now before we get started, I just want to say one thing, and that is that I need to use a cloud variable, but I don't have sharing enabled on this account. So you're probably like, well, why don't you just make another account, link it to your email, and then enable sharing? Well, I have another solution. I've gone ahead and downloaded the file to my computer, which for whatever reason is saved as a file and not in .sp3, but still works either way. So we're going to go to turbowarp.org. We're going to click this file button, and we're going to click load from your computer. And then you guys can't see it, but I'm going to go ahead and load the file. I have to click all files and then the file because it's not a .sp3. So this one, right? And then, yeah, there it is. So now if we go ahead and we click on edit and, no, see inside. Now this should hopefully allow us to use Turbo Warp. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this from now on. I don't have an account set up on this. However, I'm just going to put it on itch.io so it won't matter. So first of all, I'm going to get rid of the night variable. I do like this night one, but I think this one looks a lot nicer. I don't think the night one is, you know, revolutionary, but still, I like this. So I'm going to create one called night. And now, notice that this is a cloud variable. We want to check that. Now the thing is, we're going to use Turbo Warp Packager to package this and get it on itch.io. So this is going to be the cloud variable. So we now have night. This is going to be our game data that saves for the continue button. So what we're going to do is let's head to the buttons. So this is the button. And we're going to get rid of the night thing. And we're going to go ahead and if this is costume number 1, it's going to set night to 1 because we're on night 1. Now when this is clicked, right, it'll go ahead and it will continue from our previous night. And we're going to make a script that goes ahead and tells which night we're on. So if so for example, what we're going to do is we're going to get new text and it's going to be called, and this text will be called our night text. Now, we're going to work on a lot of things. We're going to work on the flashlight, the battery system, the camera animations, and a bunch more. So stick tuned for the stream to see all of that. So what we're going to do is we're going to have many things. We're going to have night 1. Night 1. And this is going to be in the top corner of our screen. This will only show once if we have the camera down. So this will be night 1. This is going to be 12 o'clock. It'll have 1 a.m. and such things like that. So, 12 o'clock a.m. So this is how the time system's going to work. It's going to, after every single minute this will change to the next costume. And then if the costume is the number 6, is the number 7. If the costume is the number 7, which is 6 o'clock, then it'll go ahead and it'll play the little down, down, little chime, and you'll move on to the next night. And that's basically how this is going to work. So let's go ahead and set this to 1 o'clock a.m. And the thing is, we're going to go ahead and we have to go ahead and, well, we're just going to go ahead and make it so that we have a, actually, this might be a bit too complicated. So instead, what we're going to do is, what we'll get is, so I have an idea. How about we just have 2 separate sprites? All right, because this might be a little complicated because we have to make one for each one. But if we were to just go ahead and get the text a little easier, then that would work. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new one, and this is going to be time. Okay? And then we're going to have the first one, which is 12 o'clock a.m. And this way, it'll only go to this, and we don't have to worry about anything else. So 12 o'clock a.m., set to 12 o'clock a.m. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make this to 1 a.m., right? Then 2 a.m. Actually, we don't need the clock. We just need the 12. So we'll get rid of this. We'll put 2 a.m. There we go. We're going to get rid of these ones. Right, so that's 2 a.m. This is 1 a.m. So let's go ahead and change that to 1 a.m. It's going to be sans serif. It's going to be small, so I'll make it size 50. And we'll put it right here, right where that's going to be. Now, the thing is, if you're flicking through the cameras, because of the camera text, I'm going to make it disappear if the camera is up, and we'll use the camera up variable for that. So let's put this to the top, and we'll make it 12 a.m., right? And yeah, that's how this whole system will go. That's how the clock system will go. And if it's 7, which is also known as 6 a.m., then it will start. So I have to rename each individual one to what it's going to be. So this, 3 a.m., right? And then when the next night starts, it sets it back itself to 1. And then the code only goes for when we're in the night. There we go. Now we have our entire night system. Although I do need to fix this, so let me fix this so it goes that way. Yeah, look at that. It's so cool. So now we have ourselves. Oh, wait, what? Right. I have to make this 4 a.m. 5 a.m. And finally, 6 a.m. 6 a.m. We're also, this is going to be like the start of each night. We're not going to have a story. The story will just be in the info. Alright, so that's going to be our text. And then we're going to have the text so it goes here each time we start. And then, yeah. So the start game actually isn't going to start it. It's actually going to go ahead, let's get our code out, right? It's going to go ahead and put this screen, and then it will start it. So I'll create one, and we're going to call it start night. So this, alright, new message, start night, right? So this will go ahead and it will start night. So it'll go ahead and do that. Alright, and then we'll have the same thing with this one. Right down here. Everyone is each one. Okay, night equals 1. Yeah, yep. Okay, I see how this is going to work. Let's go ahead and set our night to 0. So what this will do we're going to create a block, check or if played, run without screen refresh. And all this is going to do is it's going to check if we've played it or not. Well, or it's not going to really check for if played. This is just to reset it. And then when it resets, this is going to be resetting it for each one. We're going to have an individual block right here. And this is all we're going to have. That. Now, we're going to have the start game. We're going to have to go ahead and we're going to put it by here. We're going to put that code in there. And that's what it's going to do. So get rid of those, get rid of those. Okay, and now let's quickly do that so that way it sets our night to 0. Alright. And if it's new game, if night, I'm going to add an else. This is going to check to see if we've gone ahead and gone through a night. So if night is greater than 1. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention something, and that is that I'm doing this without no internet help. I'm using the reference to Five Nights at Freddy's and the soundtrack, but otherwise, I'm using no internet help whatsoever. So, it's going to be a fun one. Alright, I don't like that. So, we're going to get FNAF sound effects. So, no, this is not internet help. It's just for the sound effects. Okay? So, you can say all you want, but it's not. So, let's see. Five Nights at Freddy's sound effects. Okay. Okay, Florissant. Sound dogs. Yeah, that's what we want. This is the exact sound effect that I want. Let me have it. Okay, download. What? Why won't it download it? That stinks. Alright, well, what we're going to do is we're going to just put this into YouTube, and then we're going to download it from there. So, youtube.com. Okay? And then we're just going to go ahead and I'm going to get this. I'm going to paste it in here. Paste. Oh, man, I remember that video. It's funny. Alright, enter. What if we just get rid of that? Wood block FNAF sound effect. That's power outage. That's what we'll use, but where is it? It's here somewhere, I know it. Okay, there's that. Flashlight, camera glitching. Okay. Buttons don't work. Yeah! That's what we're going to use for the continue. Now, I'm not going to add a system where the buttons don't work. Maybe I'll add in a new animatronic where, called, like, it could be Gobo, and he could be the one, like, there'll be, like, a random chance where if you go ahead and you flick your monitor down, he will appear in your office, and he will start laughing like Balloon Boy. And once he's there, if he's there, then you can't use the buttons. That's what I'm going to do, alright? But before we do that, we need to add a bunch of things first. So first of all, let's go ahead and upload a sound, right? And we're gonna call it, let's see, where is everything? I want to call this song, wait, I'm sorry, hang on. I'm confused of what I'm doing, sorry. Oh, right, I forgot. Okay, I forgot to go ahead and, yeah, I forgot to go ahead and download it. So, YouTube to MP3. This is the same exact link I used in the first stream. I'm going to use it here. Also, I'm actually currently converting the MP4, but because I'm streaming, it's really slow. So, after this stream, I'll upload the first VOD, and then I'll go ahead and do the second VOD on there. And this should be the last time that I do this. Alright, guys. I'm not doing a part 3. I'm doing the entire game, no matter how long this takes. But hopefully it doesn't take that long. So let's start it. Yep, this loads. It started taking like 10 minutes to do something. Wonder why that doesn't work. Oh, here he is. No. Did I get the wrong one? I think I got the wrong one by mistake. Right, let's fix that. Oh, I did! Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho. Okay, which one is it? It is... Buttons won't work. Gosh. Okay, we'll just do that and put it 2. And then start. And... It's still footsteps. Why? Oh, because we have to... Oh, because we have to put the watch in. That's why. Because it uses... Okay. Sometimes I'm a bit silly. Alright, there we go. Buttons won't work. Let's go ahead and convert it. And then download. I'm not going to be that expressive in this one. I'm sorry, I just really need to focus. So, yeah. But, yeah. Okay, we have it. I don't care about your stupid thing. Leave. Thank you. Okay. Upload. It's gonna upload, where is it? Buttons don't work, there it is. It has a delay, so let's go ahead and fix that. Alright, and then play it. I like it. So, if night is 1, else it's gonna play this one. Right, here we go. Now let's test it. That's just what I want. Okay, so cool, that works. So that's only gonna be if night is greater than 1. Let's also hide this when we click the flag. So when flag clicked, hide. There. And then when I receive start game, show. There we go. Let's make sure all of this works, click that. Yep, it does. It does have a bit of a weird thing where, you have to click on the text. So let's fix that. All we're going to do is change the opacity. We're going to up the brightness and then change the saturation to 0. And then we're going to put a box around it. And we're going to make sure to put that in the back. Now, okay. And we'll go ahead and resize the box down. New game. Nice. And we're going to do the same thing with continue. As a matter of fact, we're going to go ahead and we're kind of going to go ahead and fix this issue that we have where continue is kind of like touching the box. So we're going to have to fix that. But first, let's go ahead and make our box around continue. Now it's time to fix it. So, I'm going to quickly click this one. And then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go ahead and change Y by -65. Let's see. Yes! That's just what I like to see. And now, doesn't work? Perfect. Awesome. That's just what I want. And I'm also going to add an outline so that it looks good. Alright, so let's add an outline. Brightness of this. Right? Wait, huh? How do I get the box? Outline, black. There we go. Now we have our black. Now, let's do the same thing for over here. Now let's run it. Everything is still the same. Perfect. We do have to have a problem, and that's that this cat is in the wrong position. But don't worry, as I know how to fix this. We're just going to drag him and put him over here, flip horizontally, and then boom. I want this to kind of always go in the front, so let's go ahead and let's make it so it goes in the front layer, so that it looks like this. Go to front layer. Perfect. I'm not going to do forever because I need the camera buttons to not line up with it. We're just going to make it for the menu. Nice. And now, let's go ahead and, actually let's get this, no, this, and then this, and then this. Cool, now we fixed it. Okay, so now we have a system that works, right? And, yeah. We have our time system. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to repeat, right? We're going to repeat 7, right? We're going to wait 60 seconds, because that's 1 minute. And then what it's going to do is it's going to go to the next costume. Actually, no, 5, right? It's going to repeat 5. And then we're going to have a wait 60, right? And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to broadcast a hide all. What this does is it hides every single one. Hide all. Hide all. And then, so now we have to make it so that when we go ahead and we have a hide all, it hides everyone. So, when I receive hide all, right, hide, okay? And then we're going to do the same thing for here, and here, and here, and here, and here, and here, and here. And lastly, and we're not going to do it for here. But what we're going to do is when I receive hide all, okay? Then I want it to go to the center, right? So where is it right now? 5 a.m. Okay. We're going to go to, alright, we're going to add a go to here, and then we're going to have it so it goes to the center. Now let's make sure that it sets its regular size. So that is going to be there, right? Okay. So it's going to set the size to that. It's going to go there. And I'm going to have the 2 parts, and then it goes ahead. So let's like wait 1 second, and then next costume. So this switches it to 12 a.m. And then we have 5, which repeats to 5, and then that. Perfect. So now let's go ahead and put it under our start game code. So forever, if camera is up, this is going to have the camera up thing. If camera up, if the camera is up, then it's going to hide. Then hide, else show. There we go. And that's going to be under the, so that is going to be under our start game. Right? However, we don't want it to show all the time. So what we're going to do is after this, it's going to go ahead and let's stop the other scripts in the sprite. Alright? So how we'll do that is we'll go ahead and we'll simply put it here. Right there. And then we'll get the little yay and the sound and the da. So we'll do all of that. But first of all, we need to go ahead and let's test our camera system. So let's click here. I mean our time system, you know what I mean. Alright, let's get a hide all. Broadcast, hide all, right? Right. Alright, this is gonna test. It's kind of a bit strange. If nights equals yes. Now this is not like night. If nights equals yes, then hide. Else show. And that's gonna be in a forever. We're actually gonna go ahead and we're gonna place our when flag clicked with a main menu. When I receive main menu. And then all we're going to do is put a broadcast here, and we're going to call it main menu. Right? And now for each one, we're going to go ahead and we're going to put in the when I receive main menu. Right? For each one that we have. And this gives us more control, so that way we can broadcast the main menu when we die. And that's how it's going to work. Now, after all 5 nights, you'll get a secret cutscene, and that's what we're going to do in this video. I mean, the stream. So yeah, hide all, hide. This, yeah. And then, okay. I don't think we have to always do it, but yeah. Okay. Yep. Okay. When I receive start night, then I'm gonna wait 3 seconds and then start it. It's gonna switch the backdrop. It's gonna keep as that because I don't, yeah. Now this is just going to be to tell us which night we're on. And we have to make this white because it has to be transparent. I mean, not transparent. I mean, you know what I mean. So it's always going to go to there. It's going to go to 0 as the X. Negative 30. There we go. Alright, now, all we have to do now is add one piece of text string, and that's going to be night. Alright? And actually, no. Now this is going to be for testing our night. For here. And that's all this is going to do. Night 2. Night 3. Right? And then night 4. You know, if this goes really well, I might make a sequel. Ooh, that'll be interesting. And I'll add some more mechanics as well as a ventilation system. Also, let's add a night 6. Then we're out of thanks for playing. This is going to be like a full game. I've never actually done something like this, so this is interesting. Like, actually, you could start a series on just a Scratch project. Scott Coughlin. Oh, no, I don't know how to spell Coughlin. Scott Coughlin? Is it that? How do you spell it? Scott Coughlin. Alright, there we go. I figured out how to spell it. I figured out how to spell Scott Coughlin. Alright, my goodness. That would have been horrifying if I didn't know how to spell Scott Coughlin. Coughlin. It's hard to see the text, but I can see it kind of. I'm gonna have to like go ahead and highlight it for each time I change something. Scott Coughlin. Perfect. Yeah, there we go. Oh wait, why do I have two ends? Oh, whoops. We're not gonna have the lines when this happens, so let's just hide the lines effect. Equal. we'll have this I'm still alive. So that's how you can encourage people to play the sequel. You say, I'm still alive, even though you've never killed the animatronic, but you're like, oh gosh, I really want to see what happens in the sequel. I'm gonna play the sequel. And then maybe like sometime during the summer I'll work on the sequel. So summer 2022, right? Make it white. There we go. Nice. Okay. So now let's put credits. Fresh to play again. Now we're gonna have another one that this is gonna be going in the corner. Right? We only need the 12 a.m. because when is there gonna be a time where, you know, we'll also make this white. That's gonna be in the center. And then same thing over here. But we'll do a separate one. So 5 a.m. This is 5 a.m. 5 a.m. transition. This is gonna be the one where where it transitions, so it's gonna be white. You know the down down. You know that. So that's not gonna be that. And then 6 a.m. Boom. 6 a.m. It's actually gonna set the size to 200. Let's do that instead. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so now 200, go to 0, 0, and then it's going to go here and set the size to 50. Set size to 50, 50%. Yeah. Okay, I'm liking this. So that, and then it's going to do that 6 times. Okay. And then we wait. And then next costume, and then next costume. And then and that's when it'll play the yay sound. So, yeah. Now to ensure that that no animatronic can get you after you've won, we're gonna make a win. And that is gonna ensure, because you know on some games the animatronic can still get you even though it turns to 6 a.m. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add a win, so that way that doesn't happen. Right, now, let's go ahead and simply add the win. So for here. So when I receive start game, right, just like this. Okay. Okay. If win, alright, so let's add a if win equals no. Alright, then it'll do this. And what will classify this is as soon as, and now we're going to do it to here. So time, right, set win to 1. That's what we're going to do. Set win to 1. There we go. We'll do it in here because we have to wait 10 whole seconds when it switches this position, right? So that's what we'll do. Then we'll just do the same thing, but get rid of this. Go down here. Alright, and we'll put the if. Nice. Man, there's gonna have so many things. Alright, now let me get the when I receive start game. Alright, so when I receive start game. Now we have to change it so this is the position. So, get rid of this. Go to position. Okay, this is looking pretty good. I would test it, but I think I might. Well, alright, let's test it. Okay, I see. So let's go ahead and set the time, right? So let's make it so that you know how this is a hide all? This has to be hide. Then we're gonna put this in here, and then in here. Right? And then let's see, night. So when I receive main menu, hide, right? And then let's add a when I receive for the start night. So when I receive start night, then show and wait 3 seconds. Alright. I'm putting in so much effort, by the way. Now I have to go ahead and set this to black. Oh, did I get rid of the credits? Yep, I did. Okay, well, let's go ahead. Okay, nice. Alright, now let's go ahead and set the nights, so we don't need the credits. Alright! I'd say this is a win in my book. Alright. When I receive start game, show, and then forever, if camera. Now the thing is, this doesn't matter if like we go ahead. This won't matter at all if we go ahead and go to the next night because it's just gonna go ahead and it's gonna, yeah. Okay, now let's see here. For night, okay. So if camera down equals, if camera up equals yes, then hide, else show. Okay, I notice a problem, and that's that we have to go and make it so when we start the game. Game started? No. Okay, so. So if, right, if game started equals yes, right? Game started equals yes. I'm just gonna do that. Wonder why that happens. Is there any code in here that like specifies it? Maybe in here, or maybe in here. I don't see any. Does it like start the game when we press the space bar? Huh. Let me set the camera. So when spacebar pressed, if, okay, so if game started, right, equals yes, then it will go ahead and do this. So let's start this again. Why did it do that? Oh, okay, see what I have to do. So when I receive, when flag clicked, set show doors to no, because we are not showing the doors. What? It still shows it. What the heck? Show doors. What is it? Yes. What? How? Why? What? How? And why? Explain. Someone explain. If we're to go ahead and broadcast start game. Okay. I don't know how this doesn't work. Like, how? Is there not a single piece of code or something? it just does that. When, oh, 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 now I get it. It's this. Okay, I was looking for where it was. Okay, so if game started equals yes, then that. Now it started. Nothing's happening. Perfect! Just like I want. That is just what I need. Okay, so now we fixed all of this. So now let's go ahead and test it and see what happens. So let's click the flag, new game. Oh, wait. Hang on, give me 1 second. I have to go ahead and make a thing. Okay, so when this is, so hide, wait 2 seconds, and then start night, right? So new game. Why does that happen? Let's see if we can find the code. Oh, I see. I didn't add this. Whoopsie daisy. Okay, now let's try it. So, new game. Oh, right, we need to make it so that when we go ahead and write. Okay, and then we're going to set nights, right? Set nights to yes. And then same thing here. Nights to yes. No. Whoopsie. We're still going to do the same thing for here. Okay, I don't know if this would work. Would it though? Alright, I think I know what I need to do. So, forever, if night is that, and if mouse down and touching cursor, then it's going to do this. Because there's no way to add like a when sprite clicked inside of a thing. So we'll do that. Check for if played. Boom. And yeah, now let's see. I think it's about time we test it, shall we? Should we? Yeah, should probably test it. Delete this clone. I actually want to change something. I want to change this by 80. So negative 80. Let's see. How does that look? Okay, I see. So that way it doesn't interfere with the mouse and all. So yeah, there's that. Cool thing is it's not lagging yet because I'm not using like a bunch of code. So that's cool. Let's see here. I'm gonna read chat really quickly. So on Twitch. Let's see. Where is it? Channel. Mute. Right. Okay, no one is currently there. That is great. I'm still alone, all by myself. Okay, well, it doesn't matter. we've got all this working. Time to test it. New game. Ooh. Why did it do that? Oh. Whoops, forgot to add a hand. Whoopsie. Alright, touching mouse pointer and now it's time to test it. Start new game. Yes! Then that does that. Now, one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get a wait until mouse pointer. Wait until not mouse down. Yeah, there we go. Not mouse down. Not mouse down. Alright, let's try it. Yep, it works. Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Well, if you're hearing this and you didn't mute the call or anything, welcome to the first night of Five Nights at Scratches. Okay, this needs to go in the back. Your job here is shut up. This needs to go in the back layer, so go to back layer. There we go, that's what I like. Okay, now this appears, so let's go and fix that. So, when flag clicked, then hide, okay. Now this is actually not what I want. When I receive hi start night, then show, then wait 3 seconds. And then hide. Alright. I'll get rid of this. Now let me change the order to something really quickly. So I need the hide all to be in front, and then the start night. Alright? Oh wait, did I just delete the code? Yep, I deleted the code. Two seconds. Switch backdrop to 2. So I don't need this code anymore, I just need this one. Alright, now time to clean up the blocks. Perfect. And then run this. Perfect. Okay, alrighty. Wait, why could I click that? Okay, if night is greater than 1. It still does that. Why? What about 2? Let's try 2. Okay, I don't know why this isn't working. Night is 1. Then repeat 4. Okay. Uh, Night greater than 1. Is it? Is night greater than 1? False. So, let me try it again. It still does that. Why? That's not what I want to do. I'm trying to think here. So, J12, if nights equals, yes, it's like, maybe when this sprite clicked. Oh, did I need the code? I needed the code! That's why. Whoopsie daisy. Okay. Costume is 1. And then, let's see, costume number. I can still click it. Why? Oh. Whoops, I did not see that. I did not see that. I did not see that. I did not. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh, okay. Costume number equals 1. That's great. That's what I love to see. Night 1, 12 a.m. Time to test it. That works, but the time goes there. Maybe 100. Let's say. So if I were to switch this to 100, would it work? 110 maybe? Let's see. 110 it is. Alrighty. I want this, okay, to be the exact. Okay, no, not 196. 113. Oh, whoops, 133. Okay, that's perfect. Let's try it. New game. Okay, for switch costume to night. There we go. That's how it works. Okay, now let's see. New game. Night 1, 12 a.m. Let's try this. I really hope this works. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yep, okay. Camera up equals 1. Up equals up, yeah. Oh, yeah, I know why this is happening. The reason why is because we have to wait for the entire thing. Okay. That stinks. Hang on. Okay, so setup is what it does. Repeat that. Okay, so why couldn't I do this before? Let's try it. New game. Night 1, 12 a.m. Oh, that's why. So, what is... Okay. So, what is camera up? It's no. Maybe if I were to change the order? Camera up equals yes, and then hide. Let's try that. New game. Oh my goodness. goodness, why is it clicking? Is it too fast, maybe? Do you think it's maybe too fast? Or let me see something. Okay. So set camera up to yes. Okay. So let's look at camera up. Let's start the game and then see if this works. It doesn't. What the heck? Okay, idea just got in my head. Put this in here, and then what if I were to try this? New game, night 1, 12 a.m. Well, definitely seems to be working. Hello? Let's try this again. New game. Ah, man, I just don't know. I'm just looking. So, on spacebar, if camera up equals no, setup. If game started equals yes, then if camera up equals no, which it doesn't, setup. Now, let's look at this. Let's see how this would work. Oh, what if I click the flag twice and then start? It sets it up. Oh, idea. If I did this, then set up, then attempted it. Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Well, if you're hearing this and you didn't mute the call or anything, welcome to the first night of Five Nights at Scratches. Your job here is to go ahead. Okay, hang on. Huh. Alright, let me test this and see if it works. Okay, does this work? No. What if it's too fast, do you think? I'll put this here, right? And then let's put the camera. Let's get rid of this. You know what? We're gonna have to deal with it. I have an idea. This is gonna be part of the camera animation, but let's go ahead and do this. And then we can do that. And then let's edit. So run without screen fetch is this. Alright. And game start. And setup. Alright. So I'm gonna count how many seconds it takes. 1. Alright, let me test something really quick. Let's see here. So game starts, right? We press space. And that's what does that. And this will be part of the animation, I guess. Hello? Let's check the hello, can you hear me? Or if you're hearing this and you didn't mute the call or anything, welcome to the first night of 5 minutes. Alright, well, without the camera animation and everything, let's see how we've done so far. So let's put this in full screen, and let's play. Here we go. There's no like music or ambience, which we're gonna add later. Oh, right. Let me hide. Okay, those work. Hello. Hello. Can you hear me? Yeah, I can hear you. Well, if you're hearing this and you didn't mute the call or anything, welcome to the first night of 5 Nights at Scratches. Your job here is to go ahead and be a security guard and make sure that none of our animals go around your wild. You see, our animals aren't really animals. They're more of animatronics. Wait, where is it? Where is it? Hang on. Hold the phone. Where is he? Is the positioning code in? Yeah, the positioning code is in. So, what is his position right now? Position is 1. And camera is 3. New game. I have to look at the camera now. Time to fix this. Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Well, if you're hearing this and you didn't mute the call or anything, welcome to the first night of 5 Nights at Scratches. Your job here is to go ahead and be a security guard and make sure that none of our animals go around your wild. You see, our animals aren't really animals. They're more of animatronics. And at night they start moving. Now, they only move as soon as I stop talking, so I better be quick because, the call could end and then you won't know what to do. So, you have 3 things. You have 2 doors and a camera. Use the camera to track him down to see his location, and use the door to prevent him. When you see him in, like, the hallway of your door, and, like, he's nowhere on the cameras, that means he's at your door. When you see him, quickly close the door. Is he at my door? If you don't close the door within, if you don't close the door and then bring up your camera again when you see him, you'll die. Also another thing is that if you see him and you wait 10 seconds, you'll also die. So make sure that you're careful of that. But otherwise, you're pretty normal. This is only night 1, and things can get pretty scary around here. So make sure you flick into the cameras, make sure to block them, and I don't. Yeah, that's location pretty much it. I hope that you make it through this day. But yeah, you can press space to activate your camera and A and D to close them. Alrighty, good luck. No, hang on. Okay, so he is shown, but where is he? So go to front layer. What? Alright, let's try this. Night 1, 12 a.m. Okay, 4. Let's try 4. New game. Alright. That's 4. It's 4. Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Well, if you're hearing this and you didn't mute the call or anything, welcome to the first night of Five Nights at Scratches. Your job here is to go ahead and be a security guard and make sure that none of the animals still around in your wild. You see, our animals aren't really animals. They're more of animatronics. I know. And at night they start moving. Now, they only move as soon as I stop talking, so I better be quick because, the call could end and then you won't know what to do. So, you have 3 things. You have 2 doors and a camera. Use the camera to track him down to see his location. Okay, and give me 1 second, man. Forever. If position equals 3. Let's make clangs. What about kitchen clang? Do they have a pan sound? Man. Okay, drum jam. Okay. Camera equals 3. No, position equals 3. I like it. That is like hip hop vibe. Alright, good. I like that. Okay. Alright. Position equals 9. And this is going to be 9. And this is going to be 10. Now let's drag this out. Let's drag this here. Now let's put this in here. So this makes it so that this doesn't go on as soon as he's moved to another position. That way you can tell. And this makes it so that he'll go ahead and it will stop the sounds, but this code makes it so it won't stop the sounds when he's in that position, because that's when he's going to jump scare you. So, yeah. But other than that, yeah. So, I'm going to go to the change position block. That's the go to position. Where's the change to position? Oh, where is it? Oh, here it is. Now receive start game. I'll do this. Nice. There we go. Now we have now we fixed that. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Okay. Alright. We're gonna call this one Jump Scare Checking. Jump scare checking. Kitchen sounds. Stop before. Okay. Good, 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 good. Alright. Let's test it. Okay, so new game. Night 1, 12 a.m. Don't have any menu sounds or that. What the heck? Not positioned to equal 3. Or not equal position. Oh, right. It does it for globally. I'll make an if else. And put this in here. And then put this in here. Now I bring in that. Alright. Just like that. Move this up just a bit. Clean up. Start. Now let's start it. So let me get rid of these and let's play. Let's test it. And then we'll work on our other things. Night 1, 12 a.m. There he is. He's on the camera. Oh, whoopsie. I forgot to change his layering. Hang on. It's a new game. Night 1, 12 a.m. Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Well, if you're hearing this and you didn't mute the call or anything, welcome to the first night of 5 nights work. Maybe 9. 9 layers work? I don't know. Let's find out. Nope. 10 layers. It's probably 10 layers. Let's see if it's 10 layers. It's 12. It's definitely 12 layers. Alright, it's definitely 12 layers. So let's see if it's 12 layers. Right? Oh, no, it's 11. Okay, sorry. Okay, it's new game. I thought it was 12 layers. Yep, there we go. Fixed it. It follows me. Hello, why it follows you. Alright, let's watch our little scratch cat. Oh, by the way, we also need to make power and usage, so we'll do that later. Oh, he's moved. Where's he moved? Where'd he go? Where is he? He's not on the cameras. Oh, there he is. Alright. Oh, he's moved. He is there. Oh no, he's gonna be here in just any moment now. He'll be here. Where is he? Come on, he's gonna be here any moment. Quick! Is he coming? Hello? He's not even there. Where is he? I don't see him. Did I mess something up in my code? Hang on. It's on position 11? What? It's not supposed to be on position 11. Okay, obviously I did something, but I don't know what I did. Let me get to the go-to position. So pick random, go to 5, 6. So that's gonna go to one of the hallways. This is gonna go to 7 or 8. Change position by 2, right? And then this is changing it to 10. Then wait 10 seconds and then set it to 1. And it has to do that. Let's see if this works. It's probably not going to, but let's test it anyway. Night 1. It's nowhere on the floor. Great. Hello? Great! I messed something up. Maybe I have to double click it. Let me see. Yeah. Okay, guys, you're gonna have to double click the flag. I did not know that. But at least we have it working now, so let's play. I mean, you're not gonna have to double click the flag, but, you know, it's gonna be HDMI. But yeah, you'll have to double click the play button. That'll be in the corner. Hello? Mute this. Okay, now we just check. We just chill on the cameras. Chilling on the cameras. Chilling on the cameras. Chilling. Oh, he moved. He moved. Where? He's in the kitchen. There he is. Now, you know, a little smug face. Oh, where'd he go? There he is. Oh boy. Alright, let's wait for him to get to this east hallway corner. Any second now. Oh, hang on. Where is he? Wait, he's there? What? Why is he there? I think I might have messed up the layering. Let's just do this. And wait 10 seconds. Pretty sure it's been 10 seconds by now. Oh, there he is. He's on cam 6. Hello, buddy. Yeah, you go fast. Oh, close the door. Okay, he's back there. Okay, good. Alright, really quickly, before we continue playing, I'm going to fix back the layering. I'm going to fix the layering again. So what I'm going to do is in this one, I'm going to make it so he goes to the front, right? So he goes to the front layer, and then it shows him. And to make sure that he doesn't go in front of the door, let's put a go backward one layer, and that should fix it. Now, as for him not showing up on the cameras, what I'll do, alright, first I'll split this over here. Well, first of all, I think 60 seconds might be a little bit too much, so let's change that to 2 minutes. Alright, so 120 seconds, right? And then 120 seconds. I think 2 minutes is enough. Now, on the safe side, we'll put 180 seconds. It's maybe, it might just be 3 minutes. I'm thinking, yeah, 3 minutes sounds pretty good. Alright, let's play. Let's see if I haven't messed up the layering. Right, let me double click the flag. I forgot to do that. There he is. Oh my goodness, this guy. Why? He's always calling me. Hello. There we go. Alright, let's see if he moves. Just watching the cameras. Oh, where'd he go? I think he's on camera 4. Whoops, I messed something up. Where is he? Let me check the position. It's 11? How does it get to 11? I don't understand why it does that. Okay, so let's say it goes to 1, right? So then what it does is it waits and it sets its position to random 2 to 4. And it repeats that 4 times. 3 times actually. We'll do that for 3 times. Alright, so it sets to that. And then it sets the position to either 5 or 6, which is the hallways. And then it changes by 2, right? Which goes by the hallway. Which is in the hallway, right? And then changed by 2? Hold on. Oh, okay. So 1, then 4. Now let's say it sets to 6, so 6, right? And then pick random 2 to 8 seconds, 7 to 8 seconds. No, 6 to 8 seconds. That's what I did wrong. And then change by 2, which changes by 2, right? Then change by 2 again, which does that. And then it waits 10 seconds. That's what I have to do. Okay, now let's see if it's fixed. New game. Let's see what we got here. I always do this. I don't know why. Hello? Mute. Where is he gonna go? I'm watching you. He's in camera 3. Oh, now he's in camera 4. Okay. So now let's see where he goes next. Oh. Okay, he's in the east hallway. I'm gonna make it so he goes left, right, because that's the right way to go. So I'll do that after this. And he should be in here. Oh, he's right here. Do it again. Okay, no. Let me look at the volume thing. So if it's not position 3, then it will set the volume to 0. Or if it's not position 9, then it's set to 0. Or not position 10, I'll set to 0. If it's position 3, then it'll set the volume to 20%. Else, it'll set it to 100%. So what is the volume right now? 0%. Alright, how about we do this instead? I'll wait 11 seconds. Right, and then it'll do that. Then it will change its position. So let's do that instead. And that should fix it. Now, as for the layering, well, it should go to the front layer. So, oh, backwards. Right, so that does that. So, then it will show. Ooh, okay, let's see. Oh. Oh my gosh, I'm so funny. I put it to back layer, and that's why he wasn't showing. Now, as for this, now as for him not showing up in the camera, well, first let me look at all of this. Okay, so let me see. So this is, okay. So this is when he goes to the front layer. Oh, oh. Okay. So what if I tried this now? Let's see if it works. I think I found out what I did. Yeah. Yes, it works. That's just what I want to see. Now let's test it to see if it works on every camera. Hello? Mute. Yep, he's in camera 4. Okay, which camera is he going to next? He's in camera 3. Okay. Still don't understand why it's not playing the sound. Oh, now he's in camera 5. He's in camera 5. Oh, now he's in camera 7. Oh boy. He's coming. Oh. Huh? Where'd he go? He's right there. But why don't I see him? Okay, so he's right here. Nope, now he's right there. He is. Why is it when it goes to the 4th position? Okay, 1, 2, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So, show, right? That. Then switch costume to 1. Right? all that. And then it should do this. Okay, let's test the code. Night 1, 12 a.m. Doors still work. Huh. So it seems to work. What I don't understand is, 3, that does that 3 times, and 3, this does it 3 times, and then 2, and that does it 3 times. Let's do it. It should go 2 by 1, that'll set Y, and then go 3, and then 2. So, why is it that? Let's just do that instead, and then try it. Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Well, if you're hearing this and you didn't mute the call or anything, welcome to the first night of Five Nights at Scratches. Your job here is to go ahead and be a security guard and make sure that none of our animals. Okay. Hello. Okay, let's see if he moves now. So camera 1 stage. Yeah, remember to click the green flag twice. Or the play button. Oh, where'd he go? It's on camera 3. Okay. Now it's on camera 2. Okay, let's see where he goes next. Oh, he moved. Where'd he go? Camera 3. That's where he is. Oh, no, camera 5. He is now at my door. About his... Huh. Hmm. Let's go to fun layer. Good old. It's 11 layers show. Hmm. I wish there was a way of how you could go ahead and tell which layer it's on. Unfortunately, I don't think we'll ever know. Alright, let me click it twice and then start it. So click twice, new game. This time I'm gonna listen to the phone call. Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Well, if you're hearing this and you didn't mute the call or anything, welcome to the first night of Five Nights at Scratches. Your job here is to go ahead and be a security guard and make sure that none of our animals go around in the wild. You see, our animals aren't really animals. They're more of animatronics. And at night they start moving. Now, they only move as soon as I stop talking, so I better be quick because, the call could end and then you won't know what to do. So, you have 3 things. You have 2 doors and a camera.
Use the camera to track him down to see his location, and use the door to prevent him. When you see him in like the hallway of your door, and like he's nowhere on the cameras, that means he's at your door. When you see him, quickly close the door. If you don't close the door within, if you don't close the door and then bring up your camera again when you see him, you'll die. Also another thing is that if you see him and you wait 10 seconds, you'll also die. So make sure that you're careful of that. But otherwise, you're pretty normal. This is only night one, and things can get pretty scary around here. So make sure you flick into the cameras, make sure to block them, and yeah, that's kind of pretty much it. I hope that you make it through this day, but yeah. You can press space to activate your camera and A and D to close them. Alrighty, good luck.
Okay, so now it's time. Now it's time. He has moved to camera 4. See, where's he going next? He's in camera 5. Oh boy. Camera 5 is my favorite place to be. He's on camera 7. That means he could be in my door anytime now. He's at my door, but why don't I see him? Okay, let me test this. Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Well, if you're hearing this and you didn't mute the call or anything, welcome to the first night of Five Nights at Scratches. Your job here is to go ahead and be a security guard and make sure that none of our animals go around in the wild. You see, our animals. Number 5. Okay. So why doesn't it show him? Can I make it so he goes to the front layer? It's not even in the layer. Huh. Is there a code that makes it so he hides when he's in this layer? Let me see. Oh, he's in an else. I'm gonna make it so it sets the camera to 0. Because I think that might be what's happening. Set camera to 0. Okay, if I just add, okay, so if camera equals 0, 0, and not this, and it's less than 9, so let's get position less than 9, false, wait, why? What's position? Oh, it's 10! Oh gosh, okay. So it's gonna, so yeah. So if it's camera equals 0, then hide. Now let's get rid of this block. No, I don't need this. Now camera up. So if camera up equals no, okay. I think I might have figured this out. There's only one way to find out. It's because I had a hide block down here that made it so it's only when you have your camera up and not when you have your camera down. So, yeah. If camera is up, if camera up equals yes, I have a song stuck in my head. My friend sent me this song, like from Friday Night Funkin', a mod. This was like a Scott the Woz remastered thing. It was like strategy guide thing or whatever it was called. And it was just a jam. I'll go ahead and I'll go ahead and show you guys the video in the description of this spot if I can find it. But it was just absolutely beautiful. I loved it. Loved every part of it. After the stream is done, I should be able to upload the VOD to YouTube. I should be able to, in quotation marks. And position equals is less than 9. Okay, now let's put this in our forever block. Okay, now it's time for our test. New game. It's 12 a.m. Okay, nice. Oh my goodness. When are you gonna, okay, show yourself. Hello, bye. Okay, now let's see if this actually works. Let's put this in full screen. So camera 2, he's in the dining room. Alright, that's actually what I expected. I'm gonna save this to my computer so I don't lose my progress. It's gonna be FNAF. Else, if camera up equals no and the position is less than 9, right? Let me check the position actually. Position is 2. Okay, so that means it's moving across the cameras. If position equals 10, that. Actually, what if I just add an or? That's what I'm gonna do. Alright. It's a lot of booleans, but they should work. Show, right? Go backward one layer, right? And then what should happen is hopefully it shows it. And then I'm just thinking right now, so give me a second. Okay, so oh, camera up. And the position, if camera's up and the position is less than 9, okay. New game. Alright, here we go. Let's see if this works. There he is. Okay. Hello. There we go. Okay, now let's wait for him to go ahead and move. He made a move. He's in kitchen. There he is. He's in cam 4. He's in cam 5. Oh, he made a move. He's on cam 7. And he's gone. And he's right there. Okay, so that happens. But now I'm having an issue here. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, there we go. Now, now it's finally time. Oh, I just realized something as well. Is that he goes ahead and the scrolling is a bit works a bit wanky for him. So we have to go ahead and do the same thing that we did for him. So let's do that. So let's go ahead and put the define for then. Let's put the define thing, right? Oh no, we don't need the define. Okay, so now let's go ahead and make it so. Goodness. Man, I'm so tired. I'm still doing this. I have to eat dinner in like 20 minutes. But, yeah. Okay, so let's fix the scrolling thing. So let's add a repeat until, right? We're gonna go to camera X. Okay. How did this one work? Let's do the same thing for here. Let's just put this entire code block inside of scratch cat. Here, right? And then we're gonna do the same thing for the other side. We're just gonna put him in here. Now let's go to him, right? And let's figure out where his code block is. Let's clean up the blocks, cancel. Then let's look around. So where is it at? It's right here. Okay, so this is for this side, right? And then this one is for and this one's for this side. So if this one is for this side, then that's going to be position 9. So if the position is 10, then go here. Then let's get this one, the camera X. Yeah, I would say that works. Set this to negative 83 and this one to also negative 83. And now, alright, this is probably not going to work, but let's try it. Hello. Okay, so there he is. Okay. Now, when is he going to move? Oh, he moved. Where'd he go? Oh, he's right there. I'm still going to set this direction to left, right. Wait, it is left, right. What? Why isn't it working? Huh. So it's very buggy. Honestly, I don't know what I'm going to do. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to probably have to ask you guys in the comments of this VOD of what to do. Because I'm going to end the stream and there's going to be a part 3. I'm not going to... Wait. Why was I holding a sword? Oh, well, it doesn't matter. Anyways, I'm just going to have to go ahead and ask you guys in the comments of this video. Because I have no idea what to do. So I'll see you in this VOD. Yeah. I know I said I wouldn't get internet help, but I am just... Excuse me. But I'm just stumped. Like, I don't know what to do. So, I'm just gonna ask you guys in the comments. Anyways, thank you for watching this stream. And, bye.